Welcome back to esdaily. Today I'm walking you through the 6245.25 long, a multi-day trade that was called in advance, executed by the book, and managed with the discipline that defines our approach. If you want to learn how we take trades that last days, not minutes, this is the one to watch. This trade started with structure. Here's what I wrote in the July 16th game plan. The tweezer bottom from last Monday is an obvious opportunity for a failed breakdown. Ideally, it finds a low above 62.36, then reclaims the tweezer bottom. That reclaim would be the trigger. I also noted buying at 62.46 as the price was hit would have been knife catching, and we don't do that here. This is where rules matter. We don't front run levels. We wait for a flush, bounce, acceptance, and a reclaim. When that came, I called it out in real-time chat. 6246.25 entry, T1 at 58, T2 at 73. I was filled at 6245.25 per the Schwab alert. From there, we executed the system. T1 hit at 6257, T2 hit at 6273, and later that day I took T3 at 6308 as we rallied into resistance from the July 16 AM letter. Now comes the part most traders struggle with, holding the runner. On July 17th, we moved the stop to 6280. On July 18th, we raised it again to 6290. On July 22nd, we moved it to 6300. And on July 25th, I sold more at 6409.25, locking in 163 ES points. The trade continued to climb. As price built structure above the July 3rd to 18th consolidation window, I adjusted the stop one more time to 6350, allowing price to retest demand without fear. But if it broke down, I was out. Risk managed to the end. At esdaily, we update our subscribers of what we're doing every step of the way. You can see the updates to our trade review section is updated each time the stop was moved. We also reference this in the daily newsletters. On July 31st, the trade finally stopped at 6380. Subscribers along the way were taking profits and enjoying the runner too. Here's what some of them said. T1, T2, T3, T4, runner held 15 days, trailed methodically, banked over 160 points. This is the system in motion. This wasn't a lucky swing. This was a clean, rule-based failed breakdown called days in advance. We didn't rush it. We waited for acceptance. We didn't budge during noise. We managed risk every step. This is how we do it at esdaily. If this breakdown helped you, hit like and subscribe. Want access to every game plan, every zone, every trade before they happen? Head to esdaily.com and sign up for the newsletter. I'm PriceTrader. Follow the rules, respect the levels, manage the risk. I'll see you in the next one.